Tragedy stalks Kripalu Maharaj's daughter killed in a road accident. There's a somber shock in the spiritual community in India due to an accident in which the family of Jagat Guru Sri Kripalu Ji Maharaj has suffered tragically. His elder daughter, Dr. Vishakha Tripathi, president of Bhakti Dham, died in a grievous road accident on Yamuna Expressway on Sunday. Two other daughters, Krishna Tripathi and Shyama Tripathi, along with 7 others, were seriously injured in the mishap. Death of Yamuna Expressway, the fateful journey. The family was headed to Delhi from Vrindavan, headed to Singapore. Their vehicles, 2 cars moving along the Yamuna Expressway, were hit by a speedy and rash truck on the Dhankor area of Noida. The impact was so severe that it left all passengers injured, with Dr. Vishakha Tripathi succumbing to her injuries despite immediate medical attention. Policemen quickly reached the spot and sent all the injured ones to hospitals in Noida and Delhi. Unfortunately, 75-year-old Dr. Vishakha could not be saved. Sisters of Dr. Vishakha and all other victims remain in critical care. Dr. Vishakha Tripathi was a respected leader within the Bhakti Dham community, known for her devotion and contribution to the spiritual organization. The Jagat Guru Kripalu Parishad released a heartfelt statement mourning her untimely demise. With profound sorrow, we inform the unfortunate passing of Bhakti Dham President Dr. Vishakha Tripathi. Her final rites will be held in Vrindavan. Her death was not only a personal loss to her family but also a significant one to the countless devotees who looked up towards her for leadership and dedication. The family of the spiritual leader Jagat Guru Sri Kripalu Ji Maharaj, who was a spiritual guru for many, established a legacy of love, devotion and service. His daughter scabbed the vision moving ahead, and currently leading that includes is Dr. Vishakha Tripathi. She is one of the primary guidance for Bhakti Dham and many other service initiatives. In the aftermath of this tragic event, the spiritual community mourned over the vulnerability of life and thought of it as a somber reminder for safe journeys on roads with devastating consequences related to reckless driving. A community mourning message of condolence have been pouring from devotees, religious heads and public figures expressing their deepest pains and condolences with the family. Dr. Vishakha's contribution to spreading the teachings of devotion and spirituality will forever be etched in the hearts of millions. As the family and the community bid goodbye to this beloved leader in Vrindavan, the tragedy reminds them of how short life is and how to hence strengthen every moment spent. In the eternal abode, may her souls attain peace, and may souls of others be inspired through her legacy to tread the path of devotion and service.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.